Welcome. To get started learning Python program, you need to start by downloading the latest version of Python program from the official website, and I will leave the link in the comment section below so that you can download it. Next, you need to download and install a code editing software such as VS Code, PyCharm, or Sublime based on your preference. But for this tutorial, we are going to download and install the VS Code because it is among the most common one. I have already downloaded mine and installed, so I will leave the link to the website for the VS Code editing software in the comment section below so that you can download whichever you like.